What's up everybody, I'm Milenist, and in this video I'll show you how to get the free resources pack and how to use it properly. But before I show you that, let me tell you what's inside the pack so far. 6 pages vertical and 6 pages horizontal guidelines for foundational hand for each size of Pilot Parallel Pen series. The same for Fraktur, Italic Hand, Copperplate, as well as 13 alphabet ductuses, and this makes so far 77 printable pages for guidelines, grid sheets and ductuses for you to use and help you on your journey. First thing, you either click the link in the description or you go to our website calligraphymasters.com, then you go to resources. The majority of people who contacted me that couldn't download the pack, there was some issue with this form. So here we try it, free pack, enter and click get the pack. You should see check your inbox shortly. Some people don't see this image. If this is not showing up, just refresh the page or clear the browser cache. Okay, I haven't received yet the email. Wait a few seconds, here it is, confirmation, confirm your email. Once you confirm it, you're redirected to the page where you get access to the pack. Here is the password, you click. It will ask you to put the password, but because I've done it already, I'm redirected right to the page where you can download guidelines, grids, ductuses, and whatever you need. That's the whole thing. If it still for some reason doesn't work, please send an email to info@calligraphymasters.com. Once you print your sheets, there are two ways to use them. First, you get the pilot pen and the correct size that fits the guidelines, here 4.5 millimeters, and the first way is to simply write on the printed guidelines, which goes like here. And I don't know, like depending on the paper it might not work as good as here, but you can always try different papers. I'm using the ink of Pilot Parallel Pen cartridges. But the way which I prefer and which I suggest is to use a light pad. This way also you don't need to print new guidelines every time you want to practice or to use the guidelines. You get a light pad like this. If you don't have one, they are pretty cheap. I'll link one in the description. You put a paper above it and you save a lot of printed paper. And this is how it works with the light pad. You simply see the lines below and you do the work above on a clean sheet of paper, which looks like this when you turn off the light. If this video was useful, please hit the like button and comment below what other guidelines, grid sheets or alphabet ductuses you're willing to be added to this list. The free pack will be constantly updated, and if there are calligraphy or lettering artists who have some similar guidelines or ductuses that are willing to share for free, please send them to me at info@calligraphymasters.com, because all the current alphabets and workbooks, whatever it is in the free pack, it's made by members of Calligraphy Masters crew. Thank you for watching guys, and as always, keep writing.